Hello, Nikki from Motor For You. Today we have a Volvo XC90. This is an R design finished in the colour Onyx Black. This car comes with a winter pack as well as one owner from new. If we take a closer look to the car, you can see just coming across the front bumper here, we have front park distance. If we then come round to the side of the car, you can see that we get 20-inch alloys on this car. If we then continue around the car, to the rear of the car we get privacy glass, and as we come round to the back you can see just coming across the rear bumper here we have rear park distance. If we then pop open the tailgate, in the back we do have 2 seats as this car is a 7-seater, but you can also fold these down so you then have a bigger boot space. And as you saw, we do have an electric tailgate, so if we press the button just there, the tailgate closes for us. Once inside the car you can see that we get electric windows all round with your window lock button just below. We also have electric folding mirrors. On this car we do get a multifunctional steering wheel. On the left hand side is your cruise control, and then on the right hand side we have voice control, volume, changing of stations or tracks, and then the centre button correlates to the main screen. We have automatic lights and automatic high beam assist on this car. If we look to the centre console we have an armrest which pops open, and we have a storage cubby just in there. We can then pull this back where we have 2 cup holders. I currently have the key in there as this car has got keyless start, and we also have a 12-volt socket just there, and then just behind this one we do get another storage cubby just there. We then have your skipping of stations or tracks as well as pause and play, and then volume through here as well as your front and rear demisting. If we then look to the main screen we have your navigation, which we can see just there on the screen. You would then input your destination just there on the left. We then have the radio just below, and then we also have the option of being able to connect your phone, so you're then able to make and receive calls through the car as well as view your contacts, as we can see by the app just there. We then at the bottom have your car status, so we can see messages, the car status, as well as the tyre pressure monitor, and then also service. We then, on the next page, we have your applications. So we have FM, DAB, Bluetooth, USB and iPod. We do also have your driver performance, so we press that just there. This bottom part changes to your driver performance. And then on the next page at the top we have your car functions. This is your traction control, lane keeping aid, park assist, start stop, and then road sign information as well as your connected safety. We do on this car get a reversing camera, as you can see on the screen just there. Comes with guidelines as well, so as you rotate the steering wheel the guidelines will give you a rough idea as to where the car will go, and we do get a visual representation just here of the front and rear park distance. We then further down have your curve assist as well as speed sign assist, cruise control, adjust the passenger seat, reduced guard, private locking, cornering lights, wiper service position, and then your collision avoidance. To change the climate control, we can change the fan speed through this part of the screen here, and as you can see we do also have your demisting options as well as your AC options just up the top there, and we can also do preconditioning of the car. We do also get heated seats for the front passenger and the driver, and we also have the option of a heated steering wheel. As you can see, the heated seats get 3 different heat options. To change the temperature of the climate control we press the numbers just at the side there, and you can see we can then change each side as we do get dual climate control within this car. If we then have a look at the seats of the car, here we have the driver's side, which is a fully leather seat and also a fully electric seat, and we can see the R Design branding just on the top of the headrest there. We do also have the option of memory seats as well for the front passenger and the driver. If we then come round to the back, we then have 3 seats in this first row. They have Isofix running across the bottom. We have a 12-volt socket just under there, and we can bring down the middle of the centre seat where we have 2 cup holders just in there for the rear passengers. If you have any questions or queries on this car, please feel free to contact us at Motor For You. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 01580 879 666.